Hey guys, it's Piggy Bunny again, compliance officer in Piggy Bank. Last video we've talked about how the innocent can look guilty in their banking activities. This time I'm going to share with you the real money laundering cases I've seen in my career. Get ready, because things are getting intense. Let's start off with a placement scheme. What is a placement scheme? You may have heard about the 3 stages in money laundering. They are Stage 1, placement, Stage 2, layering, and Stage 3, integration. This story is about placement. That happened a few years ago. Mike walked into the branch and opened a new checking account with Piggy Bank. Of course, Piggy Bank has the best customer service. Our relationship manager sat him down with nice regards, then started to get some customer information from Mike. We called that KYC, which stands for Know Your Customer. Mike provided his photo ID and his basic profile. His occupation is a car wash attendant in Super Clean. Pretty normal at this point, right? Shortly after the new account was opened, Mike has been coming to the branch pretty often to deposit cash, usually a couple of hundreds each time. Well, not just that, he also made many mobile check deposits using Piggy Bank's mobile app and received many online fund transfers through Zelle. Not surprisingly, the checks and Zelle payments were made by many different individuals who do not seem to be related to Mike. Okay guys, let me stop here for a second so you can think about this. Does this sound normal to you? If not, what seems suspicious? Yes, we mentioned before that Mike is a car wash attendant at Super Clean, so we expect his main source of income to be either direct deposits or paychecks from Super Clean. Some of you may be thinking that, hey, sometimes we do have fund transfers with friends or family members. Like I will pay a friend back after a barbecue party, or send mom some money around Mother's Day so she can replace her 15-year-old refrigerator. But I'm sure that doesn't happen every day, and I mean, who else has that charm to receive payback and gifts from different people every day except for Taylor Swift? Well, Mike, you got our attention by being too popular. Just kidding. But yeah, this is a classic example for the money laundering stage of placement, where possible illegal money is placed into the financial system by being divided into smaller amounts and sometimes through different sources to avoid being reported or scrutinized. If you're curious about where the money went, by digging into Mike's transactions, we saw part of the money was spent on buying cryptocurrencies, some got sent to stockbroker accounts. We assumed that he used those funds to buy stocks, and we also noticed that he sent a large wire to a business, with a memo says investment. We searched the business through the state corporation database, but we couldn't find any information about it. We looked up the business address on Google Maps, and it's located in a house that looks like a shell company. More importantly, this business is owned by Mike's brother. Remember the 3 stages of money laundering. They are placement, layering, and integration. When Mike transfers the illicit money to what seems to be legitimate investments, he's in his layering stage. In this stage, Mike moves his money around in different accounts, buys and sells stocks or cryptocurrencies, and takes out the funds in that shady business account. It will eventually look like Mike is a very keen investor who has a clean audit trail, and he can finally proceed to the integration stage, where he can take out the money that has been laundered and now looks clean. Piggy Bank's fancy anti-money laundering system is no joke when catching unusual patterns. Although our staff are no FBI agents, Piggy Bank has the responsibility to report suspicious activities to FinCEN, which stands for the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. FinCEN is a government agency. We will cover more about it in a different video. Please comment below if you're interested. I have another story for you. Uncle Robert runs a small restaurant in the neighborhood. He has a business account with Piggy Bank. I've actually been to his restaurant and I love the pork belly sandwich there. I always wanted to go back and order more, but damn, they only open 2 days a week. I wish they could open more often. Wait a minute, why does Uncle Robert make cash deposits every day to the business account even when he only runs his restaurant 2 days a week? Also, his restaurant is not located on a busy street. Instead, it's operating in a pretty quiet neighborhood. Each time I stop by, they don't have much customers, but the volume of their cash deposits is more than most of our large business customers. That's it. Something is fishy here. Don't think you can trick me with the delicious pork belly sandwich, Uncle Robert. Your banking pattern is not consistent with your business pattern. So, where do you think Uncle Robert got his cash from? I don't know, but all I know is that we need to report this to FinCEN. Once again, placement happens when Uncle Robert deposits his questionable money into his business account. Layering happens when the questionable money is mixed with the legitimate business income. Of course, during the process, he could also forge invoices and receipts to make the business look perfect. Finally, it's the integration stage, when Uncle Robert pays himself from the business account. Unfortunately for Uncle Robert, Piggy Bank does not support suspicious activities. We have the obligation to protect our customers, our community, and our country by safeguarding the financial ecosystem. That's for today. I hope you've enjoyed the stories. Please smash that like button and let me know what other banking topics you want me to cover. And for all my college buddies out there, stay tuned for an upcoming video where I'll introduce you to the exciting world of anti-money laundering careers and share some tips on how to land a job in this field. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care and keep banking smart. Peace out, Piggy Squad.